Hello everyone, here I am again in Northampton, the Midlands and in England. I've come over with a friend, Frey, and you won't believe this, but I'm standing in the middle of a helicopter field where helicopters just landed. They started landing one after the other because it's a helicopter event. So if you want to see, look. That's one, that's the other. Yes. And there's a hangar behind me where this helicopter event is taking place. Very interesting. All these helicopters just landed, one after the other. It's a pity I couldn't catch